everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have $362 that I plan on putting into my envelopes this week. So I'm going to figure out where all of that is going into each category. First, started off with my wallet. I already figured that out. My wallet's getting $170 this week, which is the usual amount I put in this. So spending will get $30, eating out $30, groceries $80, coffee $20, and then buffer will get $10. So that is a total of $170 going in my wallet. So that leaves me with $192 to put into everything else. First, gonna start off with one savings challenge that I have, since it's a roll the dice one, which this one, if you are interested in it, it's available on my Patreon as a download. There's 3 versions of it, $3 amount versions of it that you can use. Okay. All right, I got a little sticky note. I'm gonna roll twice today for this challenge. Ooh, okay, so we got 4 and 5. 4 and 5, which is the beach ball. That is $3. Okay, one more roll. We got 6 and 4, which is the star, and that's $1. All right, so $4 is going into this challenge for this week. $4. Hello Summer 4. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to this binder once I'm done with my other challenges or my other savings envelopes, cash envelopes. And then, yeah, I'll come back to these challenges. Sorry, I'm like trying to catch up on a lot of stuff. This weekend, I had a unplanned thing happen this weekend where I needed to go out of town. So I didn't film any of my content. I didn't have any time to pre-film any of my content because it was just that quick of a decision to go out of town. I had to pick up my car because it was getting repaired, and that was back in my hometown, which is 3 hours away. We ended up taking the train from San Diego to my hometown. It was like a 6-hour trip just to get back to pick up my car. And then we also, while we were there at my sister's, she because I went with my mom, my sister took in some stray cats that one of my nephew's friends had found in their garage. So a mom cat had a bunch of little kittens, and my sister took them all in. It was 5 cats, 4 kittens, and then the mom cat. And she's been taking care of them. And my mom told my sister that she would take all the girls. So she was going to take the mom and then the two little girl kitties. And so over the weekend, since we were already there, and that was part of the plan too, why we took the train, so that way we could I could drive my mom back with the cats to San Diego. So that was a whole feat in itself too, because took 4 hours to get home because of traffic, and then you got the poor little kitties in the car crying, and they were not happy about being in the car, especially the mommy cat. The mom cat was not happy, and she just got fixed, so she's got a cone on. It was a whole thing. So this weekend it was just very, like, there was a lot of things. And so this morning, it's Sunday morning right now, which I'm posting this video on Sunday. Usually I post it on Saturday, so that's why I'm a little bit off. And I just wanted to sleep in because I was so tired, because that train ride, man, I woke up at 4 in the morning to get to the train station at 7. And yeah, I slept like 3 hours, had to sleep. It's been a whole weekend. I'm tired basically. So I let myself sleep in this weekend. I didn't worry about filming when I got home. I just relaxed. And so now I'm trying to catch up on everything. I really need to do this though, because I need to put this money, my wallet money, in here. I need to refresh my wallet money so that way I can go grocery shopping and errand shopping. So yeah, priorities. But that's why these videos, you'll see this video today, and then later I'll post my cash stuffing video today too, if you're watching this the day that I posted. Auto this week's gonna get 10. I do need to get an oil change on my car now that I finally have it back here. I'm so happy. If you didn't know, last weekend, 4th of July weekend, I was at my sister's back in my hometown, and my catalytic converter was stolen off of my car. So that's why it was at my sister's getting repaired. So that's why I had to go and pick it up, because it was done. And it's all better now. It's great. Electronics is gonna get 5. Emergency. Okay, so because of what happened with my car, I am pulling from emergency money this week because I did have to pay for my deductible. So I will be using this soon. That it was $1,000. My deductible was $1,000. So that is going to drop me down to $2,298, and I mean, that's what this money's here for. I'm glad I have this here. That was the one thing when it came to what happened with my car that I wasn't worried about. I knew because I had my emergency fund. That's what that's there for things, situations like this. So I wasn't worried about the money part of the situation. The part that I was really annoyed with was just the logistics part of it, where I wasn't even where I live. I was 3 hours away. If it would have happened here, it would have been way easier to deal with if it happened in San Diego. But because it happened back in my hometown, logistically it was such a pain to have to try to get me back. But thankfully my family helped me with that. Thankfully my mom has a second car, so I didn't have to rent a car. And thankfully my mom went with me on the train to go and get my car back. And it all worked out. In the end, it all worked out. And now I have my car back. My mom has her new kitties at home, and it's all good. That's all that matters. So emergency, I think eventually this will become a priority again. For this week, this will be the last week. It's not as much of a priority, but I'm going to put 5, and then it'll be a priority moving forward once this money's out of here. Extra savings will get 10. Furniture will get 5. I think I'm going to have a cap of this one soon. I really need to figure this furniture envelope out because I really don't need that much furniture in my apartment. I plan on staying here for a little bit, for at least the next couple of years. So I don't have many other spots in my place, aside from my bedroom, that I need to furnish things. But soon this will have a cap. But right now, it'll get 5. Month ahead is getting 10. Okay, rainy day will get 5. Registration, 5. Road trip, 5. Scentsy will get 5. Subscriptions, I have 93. Oh, hold on, let me double check something really quick. I need to check my little sheet. What does it do? Oh, beginning of August, I have Amazon Prime coming out. So that's oh geez, what was it? It was 140. Okay, this will get 10. Travel will get 5. All right. And then probably 5 in the rest of these envelopes, because that needs to stretch into all these envelopes. I think it will. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30, 40, 45, 50. Barely. Oh my goodness. Okay, so 5 in Disneyland. Treat yourself will get 5. Fun will get 5. Hobbies, 5. Christmas. I actually want to put 10 in Christmas. Holiday decor, 5. And then tires is fully funded at 600. So that one's good. Okay, next binder. Beauty, 5. Costco. Oh, I didn't put Costco in here because I'm not going to Costco this week. So, and I have 27, so we're just going to bypass this week. Clothing is getting 5. Family, 5. Gifts. Oh, shoot. You know what? I need to put 10 in here. Home is getting 5. Household, I only have $2 in household. Oh no. This really needs 10. Okay, I might be short than what I'm thinking. Pantry will get 5. Target will get 5. I have 23 left. Oh, maybe I'll be fine. Okay. 100 envelope is getting 5. And then with leftover money, it'll get more because I do have a little bit of leftover money left, but I always plan for 5 and then I increase it thanks to leftover money. If you didn't watch my recent video, I took all these lower amounts and pushed them to the high amounts. So I have these larger numbers already filled. Right now, my largest number is 84. Slowly knocking these down. Okay. Cash Dash 1. This is a $10 challenge. I don't know if I'm gonna put $10 in this one. Okay, let me come to that, back to that one. Cash Dash 2. Oh yeah, you know what? I'll just do $1 and then we'll see leftover money, what I can increase it to. So we'll do $1 to this Cash Dash. I have a $10 challenge. Oh yeah, I have a $10 challenge too. Okay, what I'm going to do... Okay, I'm going to do 10 in the $10 challenge. I do have leftover money. No, you know what? Okay, sorry. I'm going to do, for the $10 challenge, I'm going to do 5. And then again, leftover money is going to save me and help me push that up. Well, actually, I don't have a lot of leftover money. It's not going to help me that much. I could use this too, but I want to use that for 100 envelope. Ay. What am I going to do? I try my best to fill every envelope if I can. So I might not be able to. And that's okay. Okay, Cash Dash, you know, I'm just gonna do 5 in each one. So 5, and then there was a 5 over here because I initially did 10. So that's the 5 there. Then a 5 in the $5 challenge, and then the leftover 2 in the $1 challenge. Okay, that should be the full 362. And then I'm hoping with leftover money, I can bump up some of these totals a little bit more. We'll see, because I don't know how far my leftover money is gonna stretch. If not, I won't be able to color in certain sections, which I'll go over in my cash stuffing video. It'll be fine. All right, so I'm gonna double check my numbers, count all of this first. Double check my number to just make sure I still had 362, and I still have 362, so that's good. I didn't mess up anywhere. Now I can move on to the tallies to figure out the denominations. All right, so Auto this week is getting 10, and then I have lots of 5s over here. 10, 5, 10, 5s, and then 10, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 10, bunch of 5s, 10, 5, 10, and then 1, 4 for Hello Summer, 5, 5, and 2. Okay, now I'm just gonna count the tallies. So 50, I have 1, 20, 3, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5s. 1s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 6, 7, 12, 5, 6, 12, yeah. Okay, now I'm just going to multiply these two numbers together and then add them all together. So 50 times 1 is 50, 3 times 20 is 60, 10 times 12 is 120, 24 times 5 is 120, and then 12. Okay, and then adding these, 50, 60, 120, 120, and 12. Perfect, 362. All right, so that is, okay, usually I would write out a little sticky note, but because it's Sunday, I can't go to the bank. I did go to the bank while I was back in my hometown, and I just pulled out money. I had an idea of like how much I was going to be getting. Let's see, do I have the right amount? I might not have the right amount. Oh, I don't have my little total. The only one I'm not sure if I have exact change of is the 5s and the 12s, because I just got whatever I thought I might need, and then I was just gonna wing it. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to do an unstuffing video next, and that'll give me change to work with as well, so that way I should be good. But I did get a 50, I did get 320, so I knew those were gonna be the same, and then these I kind of just guessed. Actually, let me find that piece of paper. What did I guess? Okay, so this is what I got out of the bank. I got more money than I was planning on too, because I was hoping that would help me out, but I guess I'm gonna be short 10s. I should be good. I'm short 5s. I only asked for 21, and I need 24. Oh, I got exactly the 12. That worked out perfectly. So the 5s are the only ones, but honestly, I could go into my wallet and I can condense with the extra 10s that I got, because I have 17 10s, and I'll be able to adjust. So I think I should be fine, even if I don't do the unstuffing. I could go ahead and just condense a little bit from what I have here. So yeah, this is a little bit different only because, like I said, I was out of town, so I can't go to the bank literally like today right now since it's closed. But I did plan ahead at least for that. Like after I got my car, I went straight to the bank and just pulled this money out, just so I could try to get as close as I could to this total. Okay, so that is it. That is going to be my cash plan for the week. I hope you enjoyed watching. Remember, I will have my cash stuffing video up later today, probably later in the day today. So you'll have 2 videos to enjoy to make up for the no video yesterday that I didn't post. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you hopefully in the next cash stuffing video. And yeah, that is going to be it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.